If and if-else commands in PHP are conditional statements that allow your PHP coding to move beyond line-by-line coding by testing particular functions. If statements can be used with any type of variable as long as it has been previously defined. Just a quick review, those variables include integers, doubles, strings, and arrays. If statements are defined by typing if, then two parentheses, like so. Within these parentheses, you will write your condition. However, in order to define the code that will run, should your if statement be true, you must insert brackets with your code inside those brackets. Any code that you have after your if statement will be ran after exiting the if statement. Now time for an example. Hypothetically, if you're concerned about having 3 or more apples in your fridge at one time, you would begin by defining a variable, apples, as let's say 5. Then, between the parentheses, you would define your condition as the variable apples greater than or equal to 3. In your brackets, you could then type echo, I have plenty of apples in my fridge. Make sure you remember the semicolon. Outside of the brackets, and thus outside of your if statement, you can echo the phrase, I need more apples. This example will then print the phrase, I have plenty of apples in my fridge, whenever your condition statement is true, and the code will print, I need more apples, whenever your condition is false. Now on to if-else statements. In addition to if statements, you can add an else statement to take the place of the text that you left outside of your if statement to begin with. It is very important to remember that your else statement must always be the last conditional statement in your if statement. Else statements can be thought of as simply the other choice in an if statement. Keeping with the same example, the else statement, which will also be set off with brackets, will be placed after the last bracket of the if statement, and the line that echoes, I need more apples, will go inside of those brackets. Congratulations! You have now learned about if and else statements. Now continue down the web page to learn about else ifs and switch statements.